stopping by. This is my little story I'm about to tell you guys here. I just moved into a new apartment complex here. I always have Comcast or whatsoever. But unfortunately, this new apartment that I actually moved into, they work with Centurylink. So okay, I move in, settle down in, order my little package here. Hopefully you can see closely for Centurylink. Set up everything, tend to find out the internet. It's horrible, really bad. I couldn't actually browse, 1080p or whatsoever, or play games, using the internet. The speed is actually horrible. I try everything. I, call other companies to try to see if I can, get on. But for some reason, I don't know how actually it works, but this compact complex that I stayed at only work with Centurylink. So I feel kind of stuck. So I went online, did my little research, came across Mofi router. So I was like, let me give it a shot. So I'm about to do a quick overview on, Openbox, show you guys what to expect when you order it or whatsoever. But I already opened the box earlier, did all the setup. So this is just an overview to show you guys, what you're gonna probably expect when you did the order. So let's jump right into it and I will show you guys what to expect out of the box. Alright, without further ado, this is the box here. Like I said, I already went through it, did all the little setups that I need to do. I'm gonna open it here, show you guys. So this is the little paper that comes out of the box here. Mofi Cloud Link or whatsoever, you can read through it and see. This is the box itself. It's well packed. Let's get this out here. Okay. This is a SIM card cloth that I came out with it. These are the instructions. It doesn't really say much, but you can go through it and read yourself to follow the setups whatsoever. This is the picture. The little two antennas, Ethernet, power cable, the big antenna, ultra wideband 4G LTE. Comes with two. I actually order the combo which comes with this. This is just for if you want to mount it on the wall or whatsoever. I don't know, just that's about it. So this is the little device itself. Let's see here. It have a USB port at the back here. Memory SD card slot that you put your memory in case you wanna save some files or whatsoever. These are the antennas here. This is the WAN. This is the Ethernet. I have 4 of them actually. This is the SD card slot, which I already mentioned earlier. I already went through the setup. It's pretty easy, self-explainable. Anyone can do it. But I have this thing for about I would say maybe 2 weeks now, but it really does exceed my expectation because I was kind of little hesitant to buy this thing because I don't really know much about it and I haven't come across a whole bunch of videos or whatsoever about it. But so far it really exceeds my expectation. And one thing to keep in mind is when you're gonna get this router, make sure you check your signal, the towers around you or whatsoever, because this thing you can either use it on either Sprint, Verizon, AT&T or T-Mobile. So it's up to you guys wherever you live in or how far or close you live from those towers. That's very important to keep in mind when you're about to put a service on. For me, what I did was before I make this purchase, I make sure I went on Open Signal, type in my zip code just to make sure to see which towers are actually close to me. So that's very important to keep in mind, because that varies with the signals you're probably gonna have if you just gonna be staying at one spot. Mostly the people that use this are people on the road, so they are all over the place. But if you're gonna be in an apartment, I would really recommend for you to keep in mind to make sure whatever provider you're gonna get for this thing have the closest towers to you. That's very important. And second of all is me personally, I would advise anyone out there, if you're gonna buy this thing, make sure you go through the actual company, because it's really important. One, there is 30-day money back guarantee. Two, you can just in case something happen, you can always call them for troubleshooting. There is a lot of platforms that sell these things like eBay, Amazon, and whatsoever, but I wouldn't buy it from there, because there's a lot of scams and a lot of, dishonest people out there. So like I said, just do yourself a favor, go through the company. I believe they are located in Canada. Go in there, sign up, and purchase your product. This thing, like I said, it really exceeds my expectation. I never have any issue. Actually, the provider that I have with it right now, they are called NetBody, and it's really cool. They run on the AT&T. So, but like I said, I will leave a link here. So if you want to check it yourself or whatsoever, read about it more, the website name and the cost. The whole thing actually cost me about $314. That's a whole lot of money for me. So I don't want to take no chance. That's why I decided to go through the main company to purchase this router. So I'll leave a link on the description. Check it out. Tell me what you think or whatsoever. If there is any other, I would say internet providers out there you feel like it's cheaper. I'm actually paying $60 a month for this with NetBody. So if there's anything cheaper out there, probably, hey, leave a comment whatsoever, help out other people who probably have the same thing, and me myself, because I'm all about trying to save money here. So the cheaper the better. So thanks for watching, and stay blessed. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I will probably do a speed test for this to show you guys